Imagine having the power to make almost any woman crave you. Even if you're a guy with a great personality, it's easy to end up becoming just a friend instead of a lover. Ready to level up your game and keep her hooked? Stick around as we unlock the secrets to creating irresistible desire. 1. Be her exciting secret. You want to spark that sexual desire in her, right? Well, it's all about building anticipation. Spend quality time with her, just the two of you. Give her a taste of a secret romance, just a bit of mystery to get her heart racing. Become someone she can't get out of her mind. Drop her text messages when the night is young and it's just her in her solitude. Dive deep into personal chats, share secrets, and make her feel unique like she's in a romantic movie. Act like a couple would, yet keep it low-key for now. You see, it's not about hiding, but about creating this private world where your connection grows. As things get serious, you won't need to hide anymore, but for now, let it be your secret love story, a thrill just for the two of you. 2. Have a strong texting game. Let's talk about the power of absence and anticipation, guys. Couple that with some flirtatious texts, and boom, you've got yourself a recipe for sparking desire. Top it off with a cheeky "can't wait to see you." Mastering your text game is crucial to building that simmering tension. Texting is this secret playground where you can let your emotions run wild and react in the moment without the world scrutinizing. The art of the text, especially if you're new to this, starts with complimenting her. And when it's time to sign off, leave her with a tantalizing, "excited for our next meet." These little things pack a punch when it comes to kindling the relationship. 3. Make her miss you. Let's talk strategy. After you've gotten close, start a tradition. Call her each night for a week or so. She'll get used to hearing from you. Then disappear for a short while. Don't call. If she hits you up the next day asking why, it's a clear sign she's into you. Add a dash of charm to your flirt game. Ask her if she missed you, in a playful way, of course. It's all about creating a longing in her for your company. Craft scenarios that make her feel your absence. This isn't about manipulation, but giving her the opportunity to realize how much she genuinely enjoys your presence and misses you when you're not around. Keep it light, keep it fun, and watch the sparks fly. 4. Show your passion and adventurous spirit. The secret to making a woman want you? Be passionate and enthusiastic about life. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude energy and zeal. When she sees your passion, she feels secure. She knows she can expect that same zest from you in your relationship. This perception sets off a chain reaction in her thoughts, creating a strong magnetic attraction. Now here's the interesting part. Her mind can't truly distinguish between what she's imagining and what she's experiencing. So even if you've not done much together yet, she might already be subconsciously drawn to you. The best part of living passionately and adventurously? There's always something new to explore. Engaging her in these new experiences fosters a powerful emotional bond that nudges her towards wanting you even more. So, dive into life with gusto and watch as it works wonders in your favor. 5. Confession time. Opening up can work wonders. Now, she won't be spilling all her secrets right off the bat, but a little confession on your part can go a long way. Picture this. You're on one of your late-night chats, and you mention running into an ex who was pretty adventurous in the bedroom. Her curiosity is piqued. She's eager to hear more about your past escapades. Take advantage of this. Delve into the details of your past experiences, but remember, pace is key. Start lighthearted and funny, then slowly inject more sensual details as the conversation progresses. Treat it like an erotic tale. Use soft tones, be descriptive, and paint a vivid picture. If you play your cards right, she'll be picturing you in a whole new light. And who knows, she might just be getting turned on hearing you share. But tread lightly. Always respect her boundaries and watch her reactions. 6. Build a strong emotional connection. Women are driven by their emotions. If you can tap into that and build an emotional bond with her, you become irreplaceable in her world. Having this emotional bond not only makes you more attractive in her eyes, but it also helps her overlook any of your flaws. It's the strength of this connection that builds a compelling us against the world scenario, making her desire for you irresistible. Getting on this emotional wavelength with her means entering her innermost circle. Women crave men who get them, who comprehend their emotional ties, their decisions, and their reactions. By achieving this, you become that one man who truly understands her, and that, my friends, is a powerful reason for her to want you. 7. Don't be possessive. It's essential to understand that just because you're into her doesn't mean you own her. It's perfectly natural to feel a twinge of jealousy when other guys flirt with her. But remember, she's an individual with her own free will, not your girlfriend. Displaying possessive behavior or trying to restrict her social interactions, that's not the path you want to take. It can come across as creepy and controlling, and that's a sure way to push her away. So here's the game plan. Live your own life. Be independent. Be engaging. Let her see you as someone who is confident and secure, not someone who's always hovering around. Give her the space to come to you. Show up when it matters, like when you unexpectedly run into each other, or during those special moments when it's just the two of you. Remember, being constantly at her side doesn't earn you brownie points. It makes you predictable and, frankly, kind of dull. What stokes the flames of desire isn't constant presence, but the excitement of anticipation, the charm of unpredictability. This isn't about playing hard to get. It's about showing her that you're a fascinating guy with his own life, but who also values the time he spends with her. So maintain that balance, guys. Let her breathe. Let her miss you. 8. Make the woman feel special. The key to any woman's heart? Make her feel good. Her confidence will soar when she's happy around you. And guess what? This newfound boldness might just turn in your favor. When she feels special in your presence, she'll crave more of you. This is what cultivates and strengthens emotional bonds. So how do you make her feel special? Give her your undivided attention. Whether you've just met or known each other for a while, focusing on her is crucial. By paying attention, you start noticing the subtleties about her. You'll become adept at understanding her unspoken words. Yes, many women communicate this way, especially when experiencing intense emotions. By tuning into her, you show her that you genuinely understand her, and that is irresistibly attractive. 9. Touch to create tension. One surefire way to spark that desire in a woman is by building sexual tension. And the secret to this? Touch. But it's all about timing. The aim here is to link feelings of pleasure to your touch. The perfect way to do this without it being too forward is to touch her when she's smiling or laughing. Why does this work? Because touching at the peak of a positive interaction directly ties your touch to her good vibes. This kind of touch can even boost her heart rate, and hey, it's good for your health too. So, how can you touch her? Tickle her. It's playful with a hint of sensuality. Engage in some friendly wrestling. Wrap your arm around her while walking. Hug her hello and goodbye. All these create that under-the-radar tension you're aiming for. But remember, always respect her and your own needs first. And don't forget, touch is a powerful tool in your flirting arsenal. Remember, it's all about building connections, creating tension, and keeping the excitement alive. Put these tips into action, and you'll see the sparks fly. Until next time, keep the game strong and your confidence stronger. If you like this video, then check out these related videos to see more and make sure to subscribe and leave a like.